Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust filters on CapCut apps. Now, let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and after this, in here you can add a video that you want to edit. And now, you can add the filters. You can add the filters in here. In here, I add the filters, the vintage filters. So if you wanna adjust these filters, you can click on the adjust at the bottom, and then in here you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, saturation, exposure, sharpen, HSL, graphics, highlight, shadow, temperature, which, fade, vintage, and grain. You can adjust this brightness like this. Okay, contrast, saturation, exposure, the sharpen. Okay, this is the hassle. This the graphic. Okay, like this. Okay, and you can add the highlight like this, the shadow, the temperature, the hue, the fade, the vintage, and the grain. Okay, and after this, in here you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. So that how to adjust the filters on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.